Elves cannot be stopped by your silly parental controls. Barbie's gone missing. To teach your kids about true romance. But where'd they get that Justin Timberlake doll? Elf's Night Out. Thanks, Cousin Elfie. Number 1 Elf hot tub rule: no buttons. Ralphie the Elf. Truth or Dare was going much better than expected. Wait. What? Why? The last year, they ordered all of their gifts online. Gross. Oh no, Frosty. Been there, buddy. Been there.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.